Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday, Whiskey Wednesday. Yesterday, I had a bit of fun. It was technically a simple meal, nachos, but I blended my own seasoning blend for the ground meat, which was elk, and I put together a cheese sauce based with Velveeta. Pictures are up. It was yummy. Yes, I love nacho night. Tonight, I am doing a dish I learned from my ex-wife, who's East Indian. This is called plough. It's basically fried rice, but it's got a couple twists in it, but there's nothing really unusual. But it's basically a fried rice. Let me show you what I got going on. Got the wok going on. I like the wok for this because it's big. I cooked my rice last night. I've got chicken thighs. There'll be scrambled eggs. I'm using the mixed vegetables from the freezer section. That's kind of one of the unusual things that goes in this. There'll be garlic. Today's obviously going to be garlic day. I need to do some garlic. I'm basically out. A little bit of olive oil for the wok. There's going to be some ginger paste, red onion, salt, black pepper, soy sauce, garam masala, some basil, oregano, and some Indian chili powder. Like I said, it's fried rice, but it's kind of a peasant meal. It was when my ex-wife used to make it for us. It was always was fun to have. It was always filling. Yeah, and it's become one of the favorites here in the Tomosic household. So with that, on this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun